In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add authentication to Netlify. We'll walk through the basic setup for enabling user authentication on a Netlify project, and then we'll connect that setup to your code so you can start using it in your app. This is a great option if you want to add login and identity features without building a full authentication system from scratch. To begin, log into your Netlify dashboard and select the project where you want to add authentication. Make sure you open the correct site, since the identity settings are managed at the individual project level. Once you're inside the project, you'll have access to the configuration options needed for this setup. Next, go to your project configuration and open the identity section. This is where Netlify handles built-in identity management for your site. If you've never enabled it before, this area may look fairly minimal at first, but that's expected. You're in the right place. From there, click Enable Identity. This turns on Netlify identity for the selected project and prepares the site to handle user signups, logins, and account management. Enabling identity is the key switch that activates the authentication service on Netlify's side. So once this is turned on, your project is ready for the next part of the setup. After that, install the identity package in your project. This package allows your front-end code to communicate with Netlify identity, so your app can actually use the authentication features you just enabled in the dashboard. Be sure to install it in the same project directory that's connected to your Netlify site. If you're working in a local development environment, this is usually done through your package manager in the terminal. Once the package is installed, initialize it and use it in your code. This is the part where you connect the package to your application logic so it can manage authentication behavior. Initializing it typically means importing the package and setting it up in the part of your app where authentication should be available. From there, you can use it to support actions like logging users in, registering accounts, or checking the current user session. As a general tip, after you've connected everything, test the flow carefully to make sure your project is communicating properly with Netlify identity. If something doesn't work right away, double check that identity is enabled on the correct project and that the package was installed and initialized in the right place. That's it. You've now added authentication to Netlify and connected it to your project so you can start building secure user access into your site.